What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video, and I'm going to teach you guys another power pack strategy you can use to make money from pocket options. Let's get right into the strategy, guys. Okay, guys, so we are on the platform, and we're going to be trading company stocks today. You can see I've already selected a couple of them like usual, with the best payout percentages and also good movement patterns. And we're going to be using these set of indicators for our trade today as well. You can see our fractal, Bollinger Bands, and also the oscillator to oscillator indicator. So these are the settings. You can see them on my screen. And today I'm going to try my best to really explain each of the concept behind the trades. You know, how to really interpret the signals coming from the indicators. So really just try to stay locked in, guys. Like throughout the video, just try your best to stay locked in so you can understand everything that I mentioned. And of course, like if there are still things you don't understand, you can always write in the comments, or you can hit me up on Telegram, and I'm going to try to hook you up personally. I don't think it's really difficult to understand, really. So if you pay attention, you should be good enough. We're going to be using the 1 minute time frame, and we're starting with $25, guys. Let's get it rolling. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, guys, so we have our first trade. This is the first position. It's not the best entry, guys, but it's still decent. So we were aiming to kind of get right at the touch of the upper Bollinger Bands. That would have been the best entry, to be honest, but we should still get a decent result from this. We can see the movement of the trend. It's down, and we also see from the oscillator volumes it's at its maximum value. So after a touch from the Bollinger Bands, we should be getting a decent push to the opposite side, to the downside. So far looking so good, guys. Let's see how this one plays out. This is our first trade of the day, so we should be getting a good result, guys. And so far looking so good. There hasn't been any interference, really. Let's see how this one plays out, guys. Couple of seconds left. Come on, you're kidding, right? Oh, bloody hell, guys, that was so close. We were in the green throughout until the last second, and then our trade was really in at risk. You know, like I said, like the best entry position would have definitely been right at the touch of the Bollinger Bands. Unfortunately, we couldn't get that. It was still a decent trade, but then we're kind of lucky at the last second. Anyways, guys, let's keep on trading. So far, so good. We're gonna open the next trade, still at $25. Let's find the next opportunity.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, I just entered the second trade. This is also a decent trade to enter. We have a very confident downtrend, as you can see. The dynamics are all pointing down. There was a strong push down, and then we had this pullback, and the volume reached the peak value. So after that peak value, we should be expecting a decent push downwards, which is what we are seeing with this other candle. But I'm still confident we'll get more of a push down, you know, after the touch of the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands. Let's see how this one plays out, guys. So far looking so good. We should end this one on a decent result as well. Sweet, guys. Okay, so the second trade looking good as well. Perfect. I hope you guys understand the entry logic. We try to enter right at the touch of the bands. Let's get the next trade going. And okay, guys, so I just took another trade for this one. Not the best entry point, to be honest, but let's see. If it fails out, we'll open an additional trade. We can observe the dynamics of the chart right now. We can see this push upwards And after this push and a peak, we see market going down. Okay, so that's the similar thing we're trying to predict over here. Like after this push and a global maximum created, we are trying to predict a similar push to the downside. Now, the entry points could have been better, but still, I think we should get a decent push downwards. And let's see how this one plays out, guys. So far, looking so good, guys. So far, looking so good. We have a couple of seconds remaining. Come on. Ah, bloody hell. Guys, okay, let's open an additional trade. The last one was still a decent trade. We just had some interference at the last second, literally, by this green candle that is forming right now. But my entry logic is still the same. I'm still expecting a considerable big push to the downside, and I think we'll get that. We've opened this with our maximum balance, so this is we have to get this now. There should be a push down any second now. Okay, do your thing, market. Do your thing. Couple of seconds, guys. I think we'll get that push with this candle. I think we might get that push with this candle. Come on, come on. You can do it. Okay, very close, guys. Nice. Okay, perfect, guys. That was really, really tense. I'm not gonna lie, but we got the close. We got the exit literally at the last second, guys. So we didn't predict this green candle, unfortunately. Like I mentioned, it wasn't the best entry point as well. Guys, it's safer to get the trades at the peaks or bottoms, like at the touch of the bands. Those are more safer trades. Anyways, let's get the next trade going. Put into the maximum balance. And let's get the party rolling.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone. Trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay, I see something here. This is a nice one. So guys, we just opened another trade here for a sell, and this one is not a bad entry point. I would say it's still kind of decent. And let me break this down for tell you guys why I actually took this trade. It's kind of based on the idea of support and resistance. So we had a touch of the upper band, and this is around the resistance zone. And after that touch, there was a decent push downwards. Now, before we get any change in direction, I'm expecting price to reach the support zone that we can see here, indicated by multiple touches on this zone. So that's my prediction for this one. There should be the price should get up to the support zone before there should be a change in direction. So far the trade is looking very good. We are still decent. We're in a safe zone. Hopefully we can stay that way till the last second, and it does look that way. Okay, nice. I like that. Sweet, guys. Okay, so our trade closes in a plus. That's decent. Yeah, let's put that in, and then we update the balance amount, and let's try to get another trade in, guys. If we can get this one in, I think I'll be satisfied for the day. Let's just try and get one really good setup. Okay, guys, I think this is the one. This was the trade waiting for us to take it. So we're opening the trade against the trend. The trend actually, we can see a confident uptrend, but I'm really trying to get the pullback. Okay, there was a global maximum formed over here, and this pullback followed. Now we had another push upwards and a touch on the Bollinger Bands, and the peak value of the oscillator has been signified. So this is a clear signal that there's a potential reversal over here after the touch of the Bollinger Bands, guys. So after this touch, I'm expecting a decent push downwards. Now that push has already started, as we can see. So that should keep on going. We should get a decent pullback, guys. And let's see how this one plays out. Still, I was hoping for a more confident close. I don't like when the price down goes around my entry point, but nonetheless, we got this one. We locked this one in, guys, and that was the last trade for the day. That's a good balance, guys. Like, I am satisfied with the results. I'm just gonna go ahead to withdraw, and total profit, guys, $450, give or take. Let's put that in. Okay, guys, as you can see, our funds have been withdrawn. We're gonna get that in a couple of hours, I guess. But that is the strategy, guys. I mean, it's kind of simple compared to the other strategies that I use. They're literally waiting for peak values on the volume oscillator, and you want a touch on the Bollinger Band. Of course, in all these strategies, you need to know some basic principles of market structure and price movement to definitely help you. I have some other videos on that. You can check my channel for that. But basically, you want to touch on the Bollinger Bands, and you also want a peak value in the volume oscillator, and that signifies when you should enter the trade. You're going to enter the trade in the opposite direction of the touch. So if you touch the top, you're going to open a sell, and if you touch the bottom, you're going to open a buy. That's it for today's video, guys. I'm satisfied with the results. I hope you are too. If you have any questions, if you need any help, make sure to hit me in the comments or hit me on Telegram, and I'll try my best to help you. Like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.